Cloud Services function. Enter the menu first. Click Setting. Then enter Cloud Service. We can register a cloud service account in advance. But before that, we need to connect the device to Wi-Fi or the internet. If you don't have an account, you need to register first. There are two ways to register: mobile register or by email. After registration, we may log in using the account number and password. After logging in, you can see the specific interface of the cloud service. Change the password. The cloud drive memory and cloud gallery.